Have you noticed that your Lorex security system is showing the wrong date and time, or resetting the clock after every restart or power outage? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and today I'll show you how to fix it permanently. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. First, open your DVR or NVR menu and go to System, then General, and finally Date and Time. Verify the correct date, time, time zone, and daylight saving settings before saving your changes. If your recorder is connected to the internet, enable Network Time Protocol, or NTP, and use pool.ntp.org as the server. This allows your system to automatically synchronize the correct time. Also, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If your DVR cannot access the internet, automatic time synchronization will not work. If the clock resets every time the power goes out, the CMOS battery is likely dead. Replace it with a new battery of the same type, then set the correct date and time again. This is the permanent fix for most systems. If the problem continues, update your recorder to the latest firmware. Software updates often fix time synchronization bugs and improve system stability. If none of these methods solve the problem, leave your Lorex DVR or NVR model number in the comments, and I'll help you find the exact solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.